Today I'm reviewing this set of magnet cubes from TOSY. There's two packages here and we'll open the first one. Inside we find the 8 magnetic cubes as well as the little squeeze UV light. We also have a little bit of an advertisement here showing some things that can be created with more cubes. These work pretty well for a fidget toy and aren't too strong. You may be able to see with the LED light that it activates the stickers, and then the cubes actually glow in the dark for a short time afterwards. My son has been really enjoying these cubes. They're a little on the small side and, if I'm honest, a bit more expensive than I'd prefer. These are really just some small generic magnetic blocks that are responsive to UV light. All things considered, they are a decent fidget toy, and one of the boxes of 8 can serve as a somewhat workable 2x2x2 Rubik style cube. I do feel these are a bit pricey at $24 for the set at the time of this review, which is making them about $1.50 per cube. If these happen to go on sale for 75 cents to $1 per cube, I would probably pick up some more. I'm rating these 4 out of 5 stars.
These are super cool.
Hop in that window, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious. I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind where I'm going. The women, the shorties know nothing but clothes. No stopping at my Pirelli's on. Unlike my jewelry, that's always on.
Very cool magnetic cube. They're 2x2. They've got a light when you blow on them. They're very nifty and entertaining.